Good morning, students. This is day 2 of the Wayne T-Bone uh, art project, and everybody should have made a sketch. This sketch that I have is a cake, and I went ahead and added a stand. And hello, my cats are saying hi this morning. This is Baby. Yeah, she's the more, uh, she likes to be on camera. And the other ones decided to lay down next to me. So what am I going to do? On the Google Drawing, I went ahead and gave you the 3 things that you need to add to this project. So if I want to add, sorry, let me move the cat. If I want to add let's say a background and a foreground, um, just as long as you use 2 of the space, because I know I wanted you to use in space, I wanted to use uh, background, foreground, and middle ground, but middle ground's not going to be applicable because it only works with landscapes. So this one, I just want you to divide it. So depending on where you have your drawing, and I can tell, um, so where I'm going to divide it up. So remember, the background is, the foreground is the closer to you. So I'm going to divide this up. And how am I going to do that? I'm going to go ahead and draw a horizontal line. Now, depending on your project, you don't want to go too high or too short. So I'm just trying to think, okay. I don't want it down below, because do you see how if I put it down way too low, the foreground will just won't look proportional. So I need to do it kind of, I'm thinking right above the platter, right above the cake stand. And you're just going to draw a horizontal line. I'm going to use a white chalk so you guys can see it. And this is where you could see if it's going to work. I think I got it like right on the, so that's pretty good, right? So this is my background and this is my foreground. Okay, so now I need to add color. Remember, this is less than 5 minutes, so I'm going to do a chocolate cake with a yellow. So I'm going to get these are some pastel colors that are really awesome. They're different from chalk, but I'm going to quickly try to, so maybe you guys can see it. It's going to go over. And when you do, so you could see that the brown is coming in. Now I need to divide that space. Even though we made a line, it's not divided. So you need to use another color. So I'm going to use a real bright blue. I'm not going to be able to color it in all because that would take some time. But where you can see how it's starting to divide it. So now you see the color in the cake. Now I want the filling in the cake to be yellow. So, and chalk is very, oh, let's see, I have less than 29 seconds. And I'm just going to fill this in so you could see how it's starting to look out. So this is how it would start to look. So go ahead and post your final picture, and I'm going to give you 2 days. So it's going to be due Wednesday. It's going to do today's Tuesday, Wednesday. It's going to be due on Wednesday, and then